Good day. Good day to you. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but my car doesn't have air conditioning and it's an older model Mazda. And I love it because it's a 5-speed stick. Today I'm enjoying Oya de Nicaragua Black. You know, there is a brother that has a cigar channel I want you to check out. It's called Should I Smoke This? And you'll love it. It's 60 seconds. It's very quick, very entertaining. And he was enjoying this cigar, so it made me think about doing it one more time. But check him out. You'll really enjoy it. If you're a cigar person, cigar aficionado, you got a sense of humor, you're going to like this guy. So I'm going to light this up. And I'm going to talk about what's going on. We talk a lot about what takes place in this life. And how life is just too short. Isn't that the term that people use? You wonder of the stories that we read of people living what is referred to as a full life. And you say, it doesn't look so, so full. You know, you count the days in the 80s and 90s, and these people are in wheelchairs and hospital beds and not really enjoying what life is about. But I want to talk to you about the way you use your time and how you really have a lot of time to get the things done that you need to get done. And I also want to talk about, have you made preparations? I mean, if this was your last day on earth, are you living your life as fully as you should? People spend a lot of time, or should I say, waste a lot of time binging on television programs up to 6 and 7 hours sitting in front of a television waiting to be programmed. Oh, I know you believe that it's not programming you. I know you believe that you're really stronger than that. But when you understand the way that the television has evolved over the years and how they subliminally drop little nuggets, not so much to make you, oh, go out right now and hurt somebody. No, no. They drop little nuggets to make you think or to make you change your thinking or to make you understand differently from the way you understood before. So when you program yourself and you utilize this extended amount of time doing the things that you do, you've got to ask yourself, what am I doing? While you're binging, what if this is the last day? They say he died too young. He was too young to die. I've heard people say, oh, she was so beautiful. Well, beautiful people die. Oh, she had so much promise. We all do. I don't know how long you're going to make the decision to waste your time and not pursue your dream, not pursue your goal, not uh, produce and pursue greatness. But I do know one thing, that if you take a moment today, other than the time you're taking to watch this video, and think about it, just a moment to think about it, and give yourself some small little goals to accomplish, you'll be on your way. But for right now, stop wasting your life and your time. This is Mr. Dad Arnold, Mr. Dad Tate. Not in my car, so I don't have air conditioning. But part of my in my car series with that Oya. If you're familiar with Oya products, then you know that this is a Jewish state thing. So guilty. Like, share, leave me a comment down low. Check out my Mr. Meditate channel too. Make it a great day.